Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into the box and see all the goodies. We have wig cap, edge brush, edge band, more wig cap of course, and of course a bag to store our wig. Now this is a beautiful wig. Absolutely love it. It's a 7x5 bye-bye knots chestnut brown color wig. Yes, popping for the summer, you're gonna love it. Pre everything, the lace is already bleached, you have it pre-cut, everything is pre. And guess what, you also have a drawstring that you are gonna love because it's a one size fits all with the drawstring and it's super easy to use. It's comfortable, it's perfect. I love all my wigs with a drawstring. I think they did that. So make sure you get a wig with a drawstring because you're gonna love it. And it doesn't matter your head size, okay? Now look at this color, how beautiful it is. Absolutely love it. I think they spent time with coloring this wig. It was perfect looking at it. And for a yaki texture, let me tell you how beautiful it is. So nice. Look at that. Absolutely love it. So we are gonna get to installing. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get into this beautiful install from Nadula here. I obviously have my hair in a ponytail, so we are gonna take it out and do what I do best, okay? I told you guys I stopped braiding down my hair. I just feel like it's more suitable, and because we are working with so much glueless install wigs, it just makes more sense not to braid your hair down. And for me personally, every time I braid my hair down, I'm not going to take it out. So it's going to sit there for a minute. So if you're a person who purchase wig, love wig, if you have the ability or the ways of not putting your hair in braids, then do that. If you don't, then that's also fine. I'm pretty sure if you go to get it installed, because some people buy the wigs not just to install it for themselves, but to go and get their hair done, then in that case, then you ain't got no options, okay? All right, I'm getting a phone call. Let's do this part. I took the wig off and I kind of fixed the rigid end, so we're gonna place it back on. It is a drawstring wig, I told you guys that already, and look at that, perfect. So even though it's a drawstring, it fits my head, but we're gonna go ahead and pull that drawstring. So for me to do that easy, I am going to put this up and then let's go around the back and do the drawstring. So this is it. All you gotta do is pull it down, pull down the drawstring, and then there's a thing on it, you pull it all the way down as well. And once that's done, you tuck whatever is left underneath. Perfect. Alright, let me see. I am going to leave this as is. I might have a little bit of spray on it, but I love how this looks. Tell me about this lace. You see this? yeah, I'm gonna put this around it for a few minutes. We're not gonna let it stay long. This is a yaki texture here, but best believe the chestnut color is golden. So I will be showing you guys how I curl the hair and how I leave it straight. I'm gonna add a few curls in it, so we're basically gonna do 2 styles. But as far as the lace, I didn't have to do nothing to the lace. Top tier. And bear in mind, I only put the spray just so it's a little bit more tack for the day. You can take it off and redo it. So I absolutely am impressed. I'm impressed with this, okay? I'm totally impressed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my line a little bit more precise. So we're gonna add some makeup. Your shade, you can add your shade, and all you have to do is get a small brush, and there we go. That's all. It still looks super natural. I went ahead and put some at the front, which all you gotta do is use your fingers, tap it so it have that precise line. Now I'm gonna tie this around, and we're gonna let that sit for a minute. We're gonna flat iron the hair, and we are going to curl the hair. And remember, it's a 7x5 closure, so it's still giving the illusion once you're wearing your hair down as if it's a frontal, which is super easy for anyone who wants to do their hair by themselves. I'm gonna add the band, the Nadula band, around my head as well. We're gonna let this sit. So I'll be back. Okay guys, this is how the hair looks straight. Love it. I didn't have to do much because it already came like this. So it's a closure, 7x5. I'm definitely gonna add some curls so you guys could see, but the chestnut color, chef's kiss. I love it. You see that? Alright, so we're gonna go in. I'm gonna add some curls so you guys could see a difference with the hair, just because it have the color as well. And I love how they bleach your hair. It's just perfect. It's summertime. You need a colored wig in your life, okay? And this is a yaki straight, which means it's easy maintenance. You don't have to worry. You can just literally run the flat iron through it. You don't have to section out the hair, as you guys saw. So we're gonna put some curls in it, and we're gonna see how it turns out. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I showed you guys straight. You see that? Even though it's a yaki textured hair, I am going to go ahead and add some curls in it right now. So you guys are gonna see the curls. So I'm gonna use this and just add some curls just to change up the style a little bit more, because we do have color in it, so it's gonna look super cute.
Rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we could give it all that we got. Too late for this shit right. Too busy for this shit right. I wanna talk about this shit right.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna.
She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana.
Okay, I added the curls. What do you think? Ooh, bouncy. The color is perfect. Love, 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 love the color with the curls. I did simple curls. I didn't want to add too much just because the color is at the end. So what are your thoughts? This is a second hairstyle and you can go on and on if you want, but I love how this turned out with the little curls. Just so you know, doesn't matter if it's a yaki texture here, you can still add curls to it. Okay, you can, and you can add heat up to 455 degrees. My flat iron is one is 450, one is 455, so don't worry, the hair is not gonna burn or anything. So this is how the curly looks. You can do it. You can add some curls to it, okay? All right, guys, that's it for this hair video. Thanks to Nadula here once more for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check the description. All the links will be there, their website. If you want this direct wig, it will be there. If you want to check out the website, it will be there as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please leave a comment and tell me if you like this wig, because I do. Okay? Bye. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible, the temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy.